Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's date is 2nd of August 2022 and today's topic is method overloading in Java. So let's understand about the method overloading in Java. So if a class has multiple methods which are having same name, if a class that has a multiple method but that are having same name but different in parameter, they are known as method overloading. Suppose we are taking the name of the method, same name of the method, but we want to access them. So that concept is about the method overloading. But for performing that, we have to do some operations on that. So first, so if we want to perform only one operation having the same name of methods, increases the readability of the program. That means if we are using the concept of method overloading, that has the advantage that it increases the readability of the program. Suppose let's elaborate with this example. Suppose we have to do the addition of a given number, but there can be any number of arguments. So if we write the method like a in bracket int for two parameters, and if we write b in bracket int, that means we are passing here three parameters. So for performing the addition of two parameters, we are giving the name of the method a, and for performing the addition of three parameters, we are giving the name b. So this becomes very difficult for us to understand the behavior of the method. So here we didn't get what they are doing, like what function they are performing. But if we use the relevant name regarding to the operation, that can be easy for us to understand. So the for performing the addition program, we are giving the method name like add. So if for performing the operation of two variables, we are providing add, and suppose for performing the operation of addition of three variables, we are giving the method name like add only. So the name of the method will be same, but arguments will be different, and that is called the concept of method overloading. So if we are using the different method name for the same operation, then that become difficult for us to understand the behavior of the method, because its name get different. So the advantage of this method overloading is it increases the readability of the program. So there are different ways to overload the method. The first one is by changing the number of arguments, and the second one is by changing the data type. So this is about the method overloading in Java. Thank you.